Hello and welcome back to the Snow Apple channel, where today we'll be showing you the steps of how to walk the dog. Step 1. Find the dog. Snowy, Snowy, Snowy.
Found you, Snowy. Yes, we found you.
Step 2. Put on dog gear. Step 3. Make sure you have a very excited dog ready to run. Ah! Step 4. Start running. Ah! 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 This way, Snowy. You can also enjoy casual walking speed. Always make sure to take precautions when crossing the road, especially with a dog. Make sure to take leisurely breaks in between and just enjoy the view. Not that there's much view. Anyway, Snowy Stubby. Make sure to not to let them get too engrossed by the smell of food, e.g. a nearby butcher. You can also just watch as your dog becomes engrossed with the sounds of the environment. Snowy. Hey, Snowy. Look at the concentration. This way, Snowy. This way. Notice that dogs have a tendency to stop by and sniff trees. Walks, be careful not to be blinded by the bright sun. Ah! Marvel at the cuteness of your dog sniffing a bush. So adorable! Aware that your dog may want to sniff everything they can see, including rubbish. Be aware that your dog will have multiple reactions to enemy dogs or unknown dogs, whichever you prefer. Come on, Snowy! Away from the big dog! Made it. Be sure to keep your dog away from nearby construction sites, as you do not want them to fall into harm. Snowy, I know you can hear the other dogs, but please resist the force. Resist the force. Home. Free to sing an inspirational song as you run back down the lane. Come on, Snowy. We made it! Step 5. Arrive home. You may want to try and coax your dog to come up the stairs. Come on, Snowy. Come on. Final step. Let your dog have a drink and remove the gear. You enjoy that, Snowy? Did you enjoy that? Oh, I think you enjoyed that. And that is how you do a successful. This has been the Snow Apple channel, how to walk the dog. And please like and subscribe for more. And I will see you next time. See ya. Bye bye.